welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. Real quick, I want to talk about evap system. Evap leaks. You're dealing with a say P0456, small evap leaks, large evap leaks, any kind of evap leaks. When you're doing repairs on these type of problems, in order to make sure that you have successfully repaired the problem, you need to do verification tests. You need to, in other words, before you get a car back to the customer, you need to make sure it's fixed, because there's nothing worse than a customer getting home and the next day they check in and like, come back on. Because as you know, the evap system on some year, make, and models, that test don't even self-run until the car is completely cold, meaning an overnight soak. It just set overnight, and then that test will run. Some people may be going straight to the emission place right after you repair their car. You have to know and have to tell them that it's not ready. It's not in ready status yet. Either the car has to be driven. Now, even driving it, you're not going to run the evap monitor. Again, it has to be done on most cars. I got to be careful when I say that. After an overnight soak or very cold, starting it when it's very cold. Sometimes the evap system, small leak, will run right away. But again, if you're in a scenario where a customer headed to the emission place right now, or they want to find out if you fixed it right away, you yourself have to verify that it's repaired. Now, depending on the scan tool you use, there's a way you can do that. Here at the dealership, so we use the proper scan tool. I don't know what the other places, what kind of scan tool they're using, what the capability they scan tool have to run this. All right. So again, this is for speed purposes. There's a system function on our scan tool that will allow us to override going through the parameters to run the evap system and just manually run it itself, of course, through the scan tool. But that's what you need to do as a technician, as a mechanic. You have to verify that you have repaired the car. Sure, you can redo a smoke test or a leak down test and verify it that way, but even then it's sketchy. So I basically like for the computer to tell me that, good job, JT, you did it. Basically, I want the computer to tell me that it's now fixed. So the onboard computer of the car, not my scan tool or anything like that. But so in order to do that, my scan tool will essentially become the computer of the car and will manually run the test. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm here at my computer. All right, so there's a function, like I say, we go under the topology. Of course, this is a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. System test. Let's go into system test. All right, on the system test, you see ESIM force monitor. That's what we're doing. We're going to force the monitor to run. This test will allow the technician to run the test manually. Okay, so let's start the engine. We got the engine started. Now, all right, let's we wait, of course, for the computer to analyze the system, what ESIM setup they have on it. Now, what we do now is, here's the test is going to run. As you can see right here, test in progress, please wait. What we monitoring is things like this. Large leak test in progress, true. That means the test is in progress. We can take a look at all these other options we have, but this is the main one right here. Is it running? It's running. Now, test large leak test in progress, false, which means it has completed the test. Here's what you want to see, ladies and gentlemen. You want to see test completed successfully, and you want to see large leak test fail. You want that to say false. You want large leak test pass. You want that to say true. So basically, you have verified that whatever you did repaired the car. Now you can essentially get a car to the customer and tell her to at least wait till the other monitors are run. She will be emission ready. All right, I want this video to be short. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.